In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1964, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, described the difference between a believer and an evil person. A true believer can be considered naive, as they always interpret the words and actions of others in a positive way, instead of always thinking bad about others. They do not give a final judgment regarding others, knowing people can change for the better, and they treat people how they desire others to treat them. Loving for others what one loves for themselves is in fact the sign of a true believer, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. They prove this through their actions by supporting others according to their means, such as financial and emotional support. They adopt a simple and straightforward mindset whereby they treat others in an upfront and clear manner, meaning they avoid all the negative characteristics associated with tricky, such as being two-faced. This narration describes a believer as noble, as they act with good character in both public and in private, meaning they show good character in respect to Allah, the Exalted, by having a sincere intention and practically by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This ensures they use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. They also fulfill the other aspect of faith, which is to show good character to people by treating them according to the teachings of Islam, which includes fulfilling the rights of others, such as their dependents. Their nobility encompasses all aspects of their intention, speech and actions, as real nobility is linked to conduct, not to worldly possessions or social status. On the other hand, an evil person behaves in an opposite way to these characteristics. Specifically, they are deceitful and treacherous in respect to the rights they owe Allah, the Exalted, and people. They demand their rights in full, but fail to fulfill the rights of others. They strive to fulfill their desires by any means necessary, including unlawful means, and do not care who they wrong in the process. They misuse the blessings they have been granted, thereby harming themselves and others. They falsely believe nobility lies with social status and wealth, and as a result, they strive to gain these things at all costs, even if they have to compromise on their faith. Whatever they gain becomes a curse for them in both worlds, and they never win the real respect and love of people. Any outward form of respect or love shown to them is fake and rooted in ulterior motives, something they are well aware of, even though they are afraid to admit it. To conclude, it is important for Muslims not to only rely on their declaration of faith, but also strive to adopt the noble characteristics discussed in Islam, as one requires practical righteous actions and conduct in order to support their verbal claim to faith so that they succeed in both worlds. Chapter 16 and now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.